Hello everyone, welcome back to CAD tutorials for beginners. In this tutorial, we will learn the part design command, that is solid combine. So let us start with the part design environment, mechanical design and the part design. Just click on OK. So basically, solid combine command is used to add the material between the two close profiles available on the two different planes. So let's see the command first. So this is the solid combine command, and here you need to provide the profile 1 and the profile 2. So both these profiles should be on the two different planes. I'll just cancel it and we will see with the help of examples. So let's create one sketch on the top plane here. Align the axis. And here first we'll create a circle. Just create a circle. Provide a dimension as per your requirement. Let's say 100 mm diameter. Exit the workbench. And now we will use the front plane for the another sketch, another profile. Again, sketch on the front plane over here and click on OK. And here we will create a rectangle. Just create a center rectangle. Again, here provide the dimensions. So horizontal dimension, let's create approximately 165, and here we will provide 80 or make it to 85. So this is depend upon your requirement. You can provide the dimensions and exit the workbench. So now you can see in the design tree, so there is sketch 1 and sketch 2. So now go to the solid combine command, and here first provide the first profile. So I will provide the center, the circle as a first profile, and the second profile as this rectangle. So now you can see here the preview of it. Just click on the preview and click on OK. So you can see this profile is this 3D object is created, and if you try to see the top plane first, so we have created the circle on the top plane. So just check the top plane. So you will find the top, you will find the circle in the top view, and if you again see the front view, then you will find the rectangle. So in this way, the combine command creates a 3D model based on these two sketches, and it creates a combined feature, so that on the front plane you will see the rectangle, and on the top plane you can see the circle. So now we will just close this option. I will just delete this combined feature over here, and we will see one more example. So select the isometric view again, and here we will create a sketch, that is circle again, circle on the top plane. Just create a circle, keep the dimension same like you as we did in the earlier example. So let's say 100 mm diameter. Exit the workbench, and again we will create one more sketch on the front plane. So again you create a circle over here, and we will keep the dimension as same 100 mm and exit the workbench. So now again we have these two sketches, and let's create the solid combine. Select the first profile and then select the second profile. and just click on OK. So in this type of 3D model you will get. So again, if you see the front plane over here, you will find the circular profile. If you go to the top plane, you will find a circular profile. So in this way, we can use the solid combine command. Again, click on the isometric. So now we will see one more example over here. So instead of deleting both the sketches, we will just delete this combine feature, and here again we will delete this second sketch. Select the sketch and select the front plane over here, and here we will create a hexagon. Just create a hexagon of approximate size, and again click on the solid combine. Select the first sketch and select the second sketch. So now you can see that if you select this profile 1, this circle as a profile 1, the 3D model taking the shape of this circle, and if you the second sketch, which will be the pad length of this, or you can say the depth of this 3D model. So if you preview it, you can find this complete height of this hexagon, it is taking as the depth of this 3D model, and the shape of this 3D model is getting of the circular fashion. Just click on OK. Again, if you want to see the views here, in the top view you will find the circle, and in the front you can find the hexagonal shape. So in this way the solid combine command works. So thank you very much for watching. Please like and do subscribe our channel for more.